Hello children, now let us start with the next word problem. A piece of wire 3 by 4 meter long is broke into two pieces. One piece is 1.5 meter long. How long is the other piece? Now here they have told that there is a piece of wire, children, and that it is 3 by 4 meter long. Okay. Now it is broke into two pieces. So let us understand that the broken piece are this. This is the first piece and this is the second piece. One piece is 1.5 meter long. So what is the other piece? So you always in your rough diagram, you understand the question, draw the diagram accordingly and you will know, children, what to do. Now suppose for time being, I am just taking the whole number 3 and 1. Suppose the wire is 3 meter and it is broken into two pieces. So one is 1 meter. So 3 minus 1, the other meter will be 2. So what did we do? We did subtraction and we know that this is the bigger number. So now we will start solving. So let us write length of wire equal to 3 by 4 meter. Now let us convert this into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15 by 4 meter. And length of one piece, because it is broken into two, we have got length of one piece. And the length of one piece is 1.5 meter, which is 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 2 meter. Therefore, the length of other piece is equal to, what we will do to find length of other piece, children? We will subtract the greater number, 15 by 4 minus 3 by 2. So let us start here. 15 by 4 minus 3 by 2. Now we know here the denominators are not equal. So we have to first find LCM, and LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So let us write here 4. Okay. So how to make it equal, children? 4 ones are 4. Therefore 15 ones are 15. 2 2s are 4. That's why it is 3 2s are 6 by 4. Now our denominators are equal. So 15 minus 6 is 9 by 4 meter. So this is the length of the other piece. But children, because this fraction word problem is containing all mixed fractions, we will also convert this into a mixed fraction. So 9 divided by 4 is 2 1 by 4. So our final answer is equal to 2 1 by 4 meter. So this you can write, length of other piece is equal to 2 1 by 4 meter. Hope you understood, children. Now let us look at the next problem. Suman studies for 5 2 by 3 hours daily. She devotes 2 4 by 5 hours of her time for science and maths. How much time does she devote for other subjects? So let us start. Now this is Suman studies for 5 2 by 3 hours daily, means for daily she is studying for so long, that is 5 2 by 3 hours. Okay, children? So this is her total hours of study. She devotes, that means she spends her time 2 4 by 5 hours out of this for science and maths. So let us divide it into 2. This is for science and maths. She is studying 2 4 by 5 hours. How much time does she spend for other subjects? So for other subjects, how much time is she devoting? So if you can see, children, this is total hours. Let us assume she is studying for 5 hours. We will take out the fraction part. Out of 5 hours, if she is studying for 2 hours science and maths, that means 5 minus 2, 3 hours she is studying for other subjects. So here now, as we understood the concept by drawing a rough diagram, now we can go to the actual sum. So total number of hours studying is 5 2 by 3 hours, which is equal to 3 5s are 15 plus 2, 17 by 3 hours. And number of hours for science and maths is 2 4 by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4, 14 by 5 hours. So the number of hours for other subjects is total minus this. That is 17 by 3 minus 14 by 5. So let us start. Now if you see children, here the denominator is not equal. So let us take the LCM of 3 and 5. The LCM will be 15. 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 5. So LCM is equal to 3 into 5 is 15. So let us convert this into like denominators. Now 3 has to be turned into 15, right? So we will multiply 3 with what, children? This should be 15 and this also should be 15. Okay, so I am writing the numerator and denominator. Now this is 17 by 3 and this is 14 by 5, right children? Now let us convert it into denominator 15. So 3 5s are 15. So 17 3s are is 3 7s are, 17 5s are. 5 7s are is 35. 5 1s are 5 plus 3, 85. Now 5 3s are 15. So what is 14 into 3? 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 42. So now we have got the like denominators. So let us subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4 divided by 15. So we have got she is spending 43 by 15 hours on the other subjects. But this is a case of mixed fraction. So we will convert this into mixed fraction. So 43 divided by 15. 15 2s are 30 and remainder is 13. So 2 13 by 15. So we can write 2 13 by 15 hours she is spending on other subjects. So hope you understood children how to go with the word problem. Read the word problem, make a diagram and try to understand and then go to the main part. Bye for now.